Hey y'all, welcome to Chick-fil-A. Just kidding. Y'all, I've got a little recipe for y'all today. I am going to be doing some the Copycat Chick-fil-A nuggets. Y'all know y'all have been sitting in them lines for these little nuggets, and I'm going to show y'all how to do them at home.
Yeah.
So, I am starting out with my little chicken. I have had it marinated in some pickle juice. Look at that. I've just got it cut it in little strips and little nugget sizes. You can cut as big as little as you want, but you need to marinate it at least about 30 minutes. Now, I've had mine on for a few hours. So, I got that ready to go. Now, we've got 2 cups of just all-purpose flour, and I'm going to mix all my dry ingredients together. First, we've got 2.5 cups of sugar. I know that's kind of odd, but it's what it calls for. 2.5 cups of sugar. Then we're going to do 2 teaspoons each of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and salt and pepper. So pretty even measurements. So 1 and 2. It don't have to be exact. If you don't like a lot of garlic or a lot of onion, honey, don't do that much. But I'm just going to go by the recipe. Look at that all hunked up. Long. 1, 2. Now 2 teaspoons of paprika. And I just did the regular paprika, not the smoked. I do like the smoked flavor and stuff though. Gives a little kick. That's going to have a lot of color in it, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. All right, pepper, we don't mind that. 1,
No, we don't.
2. And now for the salt. 2 teaspoons of salt. I'm going to flavor up our little flour here. 1 and 2. All right, we're going to give this just a little mix up here. Get it all mixed up. I'm not sure how easy it is mixing it up in this, but honey, we're going to do it.
Little stir.
Little stir, that's right. Get it all together. We don't want some parts flavored and other parts not. All right. How you think that looks, James?
Pretty good to me.
All right.
Look ready.
All right, now let's get this out of the way. Get all our little dry stuff out the way here. And we're going to start with the wet stuff. We're going to start with 1 egg, 1 little egg, and 1 cup of milk. I'm going to use buttermilk because I just prefer the buttermilk. I just do. But you can do milk if you want to. My little squished up, look at that.
Oh.
Little squished up little lid there. I bought it that way. I said, well, use a wonky donkey, you'll fit right in. Fit right in there.
Welcome home.
Welcome home, honey. That's right. We're just going to give this a little mix. Just a little egg and buttermilk. That's it. Now, we have the big decision. Do we want extra crispy or just lightly crispy? Russell.
Like crispy.
All right, we'll do flour first. Probably should just put on little gloves, but I'm not. I'll probably just be in there with my hands in a minute. Use what God gave me, but I'm sure I will. A little dip in here, and then another little dip back over here. Now, I've got me some parchment paper right there. And we're just going to let it dry for just a minute on that parchment paper because we want it to stick pretty good. I didn't do that one first, did I? I was getting ahead of myself. Trying to fall. Yeah, I did. My little station here I got set up.
Mm-hmm.
We hope this is going to be delicious. I'm even going to make us up a little sauce to go with it. Honey, we do it. Listen, I am a condiment queen. Russell can tell you.
That.
Yes.
She is a condiment queen.
I like all my little condiments in a row. Honey, I'll sit there and open 12 packets of ketchup before I start eating. Rusty done ate his food.
I will. She
Yeah.
ain't even started eating.
I ain't even started. I want it right. I want to get all the flavors I want to get. All right, well, I won't make y'all watch all this, but this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and get my oil back there getting hot at about 350 degrees back there. And that way, after these have set just a few minutes, we'll be ready to fry them up, get them going, get us some lunch going. Y'all, got them all battered up, got my grease hot. See it smoking?
She's a smoking.
Now I am going to try, I did batter some, just lightly batter, so I'm going to try them first. This is just one dip, and the other ones here are 2 dips. We're just going to drop.
A single dipper and a double dipper.
Yes, so some should be crispier than others. Alright, just go keep a little eye on them. Give them a little flip. What they're looking like.
There you know.
There you know.
It's pretty good to me.
Just gonna let them cook for a few minutes. And they'll be golden brown.
Golden delicious.
I could have probably made them a little smaller too.
That's all right.
Yeah.
We're going to get our money's worth at the homemade Chick-fil-A. We're going to order a
right.
6-piece. We're going to get really a 6-piece.
When we taste them, we'll just be like, my pleasure. That's what we're going to hear.
Yeah.
My pleasure.
Yeah. Hey, they're always so polite.
They really are.
At Chick-fil-A,
They
it's like
are.
they go out of their way.
They sure do. We don't have many bad experiences. Okay, I think it's done. We don't have very many bad experiences with the Chick-fil-A. Now, this one is not got a lot of batter on it. That one right there. I kind of mixed them up, y'all.
Yeah, and I'm going to say the ones without batter look more like the regular Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, the one without the most.
Yeah. They look good.
But unfortunately, I double battered most of them because you said you like the crispy.
Listen,
so it'll be all right.
Hey, you asked me what I wanted, so
I
mean,
did. That's what's it. That's the advantage of making it home, honey. You
That's
just
right.
won't do it.
That's right. We having it at the house, so
We are.
but it's the recipe's still the same.
That's
You
right.
can do what you want to do at your house.
Right.
So y'all can do what
How
y'all
we
want to
roll.
do at y'all's house. So
That's how we roll, honey.
that's right.
And I already got my little stuff out for my little sauce. I'm gonna make some
Ooh,
little
she gonna make some. She gonna whip up some
Copycat.
sauce, y'all.
Yes, some Copycat Chick-fil-A sauce.
All right.
So we're gonna be tasting. We'll let you know if it.
I'm gonna let you know.
Oh, he will.
I will try it with the double dip and the single dip and see
Yeah.
which one I think's closer.
And you gotta try it in the sauce.
And with the sauce.
Gotta dunk
absolutely.
it. Gotta dunk it. That's right. And y'all know I always put this on the grid, because otherwise if you just put it on straight on the paper towel.
I'm gonna say
it's
that right there.
That's it, yeah.
That looks just like a Chick-fil-A nugget. Y'all.
Yeah.
That looks exactly
does.
like it. And even that one right there to me looks just like a Chick-fil-A. I mean, really, they all kind of look like a Chick-fil-A nugget. If you
They're
want to think
supposed
about
to.
it. Yeah. Even
Yeah.
the double dip ones kind of look like a
Uh-huh.
Chick-fil-A nugget to me.
Yeah.
Can't really tell that much of a difference.
Y'all, I'm going to just be honest and tell y'all what I've done.
She's fessing up, y'all.
I'm fessing up. Because y'all see there was more. Listen, my grease was too hot, okay?
Yeah, a little snafu there to
A little
start.
snafu, yes. I'm honest, I am who I am. Y'all get what you get. But, yes, I did.
But see, now is a good time. We get to use our new little toy we got from YouTube.
What's that? Oh, yes, the take two.
Yeah.
Yes, because I'm tell you what. Yeah, I had it too hot. It was a rolling bowl, and then I was like, ooh, and I put it in there, and it just went dark. I was like, oh, bless, let me get it out of here. We'll mess up on my oil. So, we don't want that. But they are pretty golden brown. But, yeah, I did a little snafu, sure enough. Anyway, it happens.
It does. It happens to everybody.
It happens to everybody.
You see right there, back there on the counter, what came with that after the fact.
Yes.
She's got the little thermometer out. And
Yes,
she got
I
her
do.
temperature right
Yes,
with the oil.
I
which is
did.
a good thing to have, y'all. You know.
did. I normally just eyeball it and just drop something in to see, but I didn't even do the drop test on it this time. I just all willy-nilly went up over in there and just dropping them
She
in.
went rogue. And
I did.
yeah.
I went rogue. It's okay.
It'll happen. It'll happen.
It will. We got a plenty, and I didn't even do all the chicken because our little grandbabies is coming later.
Yeah.
And I figured I'd
we
just
just
pull
have
them
some
out
later for them.
and make them hot for them. I
Ooh,
sure
they
did.
look good, y'all. Man.
Now you do have to kind of keep the temperature regulated because when you put these cold ones in,
They're gonna.
it drops the temperature. So just adjust it just a little bit more. But I'm just going to finish frying these up. Hopefully no more little snafus. And then I'm going to show you how to make a quick Chick-fil-A sauce. All right, y'all. It's time for the sauce. Y'all know, like I said, I'm a condiment kind of gal, honey. Starting with Duke's Mayo because is there any other?
No, there is not.
There is not. Not in our neck of the woods. We love us some, I love me some Duke's. All right, so half a cup of mayonnaise going in. Now, get all that goodness up out of there. Now we're going to do a 1/4 cup of honey and a 1/4 cup of any kind of barbecue sauce, I guess, that you want. It just says barbecue sauce. We'll go in with the barbecue sauce first because the honey be a little harder to get out. All right, 1/4 cup. All right, now 1/4 cup of honey. Just got some regular honey. Yummy, yummy. I love making my own honey mustard too. I love honey mustard.
She does.
I eat it on French
That
fries.
might be your favorite sauce.
Honey mustard it's up there.
Yeah.
It is up there. All right, 1/4 cup of honey. I so hope this is going to be delicious.
The real deal. It's hard to beat Chick-fil-A sauce. It really is.
It is. Now that mustard's going to bring in that color. 2 tablespoons of mustard. Just regular old yellow mustard. I should have got a different one.
Going to the same place.
It is, but I mean, it still got some stuff in it. I want to get my true 2 tablespoons, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right, and it says 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It's starting to look like it, ain't it?
Yeah, it's turning.
Yes, it is. Need my little whisk. Hope I'm not making too much racket here. All right, tablespoon of lemon juice. Oh, now. Let's go give it some sass right there. We're about to try this, James Russell. You ready for it?
I'm ready.
He's so excited about these nuggets, y'all.
Oh, I love Chick-fil-A nuggets.
So excited.
I'm a fan of their nuggets.
All right, I'm going to get these little lumps out, and we're going to give it a whirl.
All right, I'm ready to give it a try.
All right, let's do it. All right, y'all. Got the sauce, got the little nuggets. We're waiting on this James Russell now.
I'm ready.
He's ready for it.
I'm going in. I'm going to take, this is a lightly battered, looks like. Y'all look at here, it looks just like Chick-fil-A nugget.
Just like it.
Going with the sauce. I can tell you, that's identical. The sauce is identical.
It really is.
The breading is identical. You taste the pickle.
You can. You can really taste that dill pickle. And now I let mine marinate overnight. I did do that.
I bet this is absolutely the recipe.
Yeah. Listen, if it's not, it's first cousin, honey. Same family, just a different address.
Oh yeah, we gotta go back in with some more of that.
It's good.
Look here, y'all.
I'm gonna have one too. Dunkin'. I mean, this sauce is dead on. Oh, bless.
What? It tastes exactly the same.
We have
we had the sauce to try.
So good. I'm telling you what.
I'm sorry for talking with my mouth full, but I'm surprised at how close that tastes. Yeah, skip them lines, y'all.
Do it, honey. I'm telling you, just like I said, I can. If you close your eyes, you can hear my pleasure.
Yeah.
This I'm telling you, delicious.
Yeah, I'm telling you, that's as close. It tastes identical. Well, let's just.
I've had my mouth full.
One more time. Look at there.
It is good.
That's the crispy one there. I might like it better.
Really?
Just to be honest.
Well, we have more of those.
Maybe they need to double fry them, y'all.
Maybe.
This may be better than Chick-fil-A.
No. Yet again, for a fraction of the price, y'all can just do this right at the house.
That's delicious.
And you know, they're like what? Outrageous for like 6 nuggets.
Yeah. That's heaven on a plate.
It is.
That's heaven on a plate. I'm telling you.
It is really good. I'm just as in awe over this as I was over that Captain D's fish.
It's dead on. Completely dead on.
It's good.
Yeah, give this one a try. It's a winner.
I'm very impressed.
Well,
I'll have to say, very impressed.
The pickle is what's impressive to me. The marinade is very close. Very, and the sauce, oh my goodness. The sauce is dead. Listen, y'all, we got the sauce right here. That is identical. Identical. You cannot
tell which is which.
You could not tell them apart. 100% you could not. It tastes identical.
Nailed it.
Yeah.
Nailed it. Y'all have to give this one a try.
Yeah.
Really. And if you do,
let us know.
Let us know, honey.
You know we would love to hear about it. Yeah.
Yes. My little grandbabies are gonna be happy about this
because
they do love them.
They love some chicken nuggets, man.
They do. They enjoy it.
I think all kids love it. I think that's like some kind of requirement for kids.
Growing up.
Yeah.
But this would be good for a chicken sandwich. You could do just a whole piece of chicken the same way.
Probably the same recipe for the chicken sandwich, I'm sure.
I would think so.
It's the same bread. Yep.
Yes, same bread. But anyway, y'all, give it a try.
It's fantastic.
Yes. Thank y'all so much for watching, loving on us. And until next time, peace.